Hey guys, welcome back to Delstack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix OBS audio crackling. So first things first is you could just simply go ahead guys and open up your OBS, and from here you could just simply go for the file at the top left corner, and you could just simply go for the settings. Now here on the settings guys, you could just simply go for the output tab over here, and you could just simply go for the audio. So here on the audio, just try to change it to 320 over here, and sometimes that can fix the issue. And since I'm currently recording, I cannot change any, and make sure to select apply and OK. Now another option is you could go for the audio over here, and guys, just make sure your sample rate is 48 kilohertz. And now you will have an option down below to select your microphone. So guys, sometimes you don't have the right microphone selected over here, so make sure to select it over here. And if we scroll down, we should be able to have the meters, make sure it is fast and sample peak, and pretty much that's all you could do when it comes to the audio crackling sound. And sometimes if you go for the three dots over here and go for advanced audio settings, you should be able to see here monitor off. Make sure it is on monitor off. And guys, if it's too loud, you could just simply go ahead and minimize it down so you won't have any issue. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.